Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a tax exemption certificate. This process allows eligible organizations to be exempt from certain federal income taxes. We will cover the essential steps, from understanding eligibility to submitting your application. By following these guidelines, you can navigate the application process smoothly and efficiently. This will help ensure your organization can focus on its mission without unnecessary tax burdens. To qualify for tax exemption, your organization must meet specific criteria. Generally, this means operating for charitable, educational, religious, or scientific purposes. It is crucial that no private individual or shareholder benefits from your organization's net earnings. Additionally, engaging in political campaign activities is strictly prohibited. Understanding these foundational requirements is the first critical step in your application journey. Gathering the correct documentation is vital for a successful application. You will need your organization's articles of incorporation or trust instrument, along with your employer identification number, or EIN. Detailed financial statements covering the past 3 years are also required. Furthermore, a clear statement outlining your organization's purpose and activities is essential. Having these documents ready will significantly streamline your application process. Once all documents are prepared, complete the appropriate application form, often Form 102-3. Remember to pay the required application fee, which can vary based on your organization's gross receipts. After submission, be prepared to respond promptly to any requests for additional information from the Internal Revenue Service. A thorough and timely response will help ensure a smooth review and approval of your tax-exempt status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.